Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the validated Alphalist 7, 3 file and the import template. This ensures field alignment so records map correctly. Once done, open the import tool and select the CSV or Excel file, then run a schema check to catch missing columns. Make sure to back up the current database now. If anything goes wrong, you can restore. If the system prompts for batch ID or period, enter the exact tax period to prevent duplicate entries. You now perform field mapping. Connect source columns to Alphalist 7. 3 targets like TIN, income, tax withheld, and tax period. Next, run the validation pass. This highlights issues such as invalid TIN formats, negative amounts, or duplicate entries. Once validation finishes, review the error list and correct the source rows directly or use the import tool's inline editor. After corrections, rerun validation until no critical errors remain, so the actual import can proceed cleanly. You execute the final import and watch the progress log to confirm how many records succeeded versus failed. Download the import log for audit trails. After import, immediately reconcile totals, income and tax withheld, against your original file and the backup snapshot to verify integrity. If you see persistent errors or mismatched totals, revert to the backup, correct the source file, common fixes, TIN formatting, stray commas, date format, and repeat the import. A single rollback prevents corrupted live data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.